Hey guys, welcome to another video, for our first video ever. This is what we're gonna be making. This. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yes, it's pancakes. Can't see it. It's right here. On the tray. This. And for today, you will be needing kinetic sand, a Play-Doh container, yes, some extra, and a lid. You probably will need it for a thing. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, we have all our Play-Doh. Okay, now I'm gonna smush it down. Smash down kinetic sand and put it over here. Okay, and then you're gonna get your Play-Doh container, any color. And yeah, you can have any color kinetic sand. I know green is not really good. Pancakes, but yeah. And then here's okay. Is it really bad pancakes? I'm gonna switch it down a little bit. Flatten out this one. Okay, I can't see it, but I'm flattening it out. You're gonna get your Play-Doh container, smash, and then side, and then you have your other thing, and then smush it down. Do it again until you have 5. Three. How much we got for 5? Ooh, should we have to make it go 2. Well, basically, you can make at least 5 or less. Okay, here's 4. Okay, I'll only do 4 for this time. Last time I did 5. This one, you're gonna flatten it out. A little bit, and like make a mark so where you can like cut it with your fingers, or you can use a knife. But if your mom or dad says no, listen to your parents, then just use a Play-Doh lid, and you just like make a mark, and you can just cut it with your fingers. Or you can connect sand's easy. That's why I connect sand for this one, because that's why. So you want to make a little fat butter. And you don't have to make syrup. Don't have to make syrup. How much we have left? And not really a lot. You don't have to make syrup because it breaks easily. And I tried to make syrup for the last one and it kept breaking. So you don't have to make syrup if you want to. It's pretty easy. So this is the pancakes. Butter and then the pancakes. It's pretty big. Let's see. So yeah, if you love Halloween, smash a big likes button. And we really want to know if you want to, what do you want to be for Halloween? And my brother's not here, but he's going to be here in the next videos. So yeah, big thumbs up. Bye.